Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Have you noticed that the more carefully many people care for orchids, the weaker the orchid pots gradually become? The leaves begin turning yellow, the roots develop slowly, the plant lacks vitality, and it takes a very long time to bloom again. Many people think that orchids need a lot of expensive fertilizer to stay healthy. But in reality, sometimes what the plant truly needs is simply a proper care method and a few simple ingredients already available in the kitchen. In today's video, I will share with you a method to help a weakening orchid pot recover more healthily, stimulate stable root development, and support the plant in becoming green and healthy again over time. If you enjoy gentle, simple, and economical plant care methods, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us begin. Do you often eat bananas? Bananas are not only a nutritious fruit that is very good for health, but banana peels also contain a large amount of potassium and natural minerals that help support healthier plant growth. Keep these banana peels and use a knife to cut them into small slices as shown in the video. Cutting them into small pieces helps the banana peels decompose more quickly and release natural nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and beneficial minerals for the plant more effectively. In addition, the smaller banana peel pieces also help the soaking or steeping process occur more evenly, helping the nutrients dissolve into the water more easily and allowing the plant to absorb them better during use. After cutting, place all of the banana peels into a clean glass cup. The next ingredient I use is jasmine tea bags. Jasmine tea contains many natural compounds and gentle minerals that help support improving plant vitality while also helping the growing environment become more pleasant and airy. I use one jasmine tea bag and place it directly into the clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup containing the banana peels and tea bag. Jasmine tea contains a small amount of natural minerals and organic compounds that help support improving plant vitality. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for 1 hour. During that time, I gently rinse the plant with clean water, as shown in the video. Rinsing helps wash away dirt, excess fertilizer residue, and impurities still attached around the root system and on the surface of the growing medium. In addition, this step also helps gently moisten the root system, limiting the roots from becoming dry or shocked after the plant has just undergone treatment and care. At the same time, cleaning the root system and growing medium also helps make the environment around the roots more airy, limits fungal diseases, and creates better conditions for the plant to absorb nutrients during the next care steps. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After about 1 hour, when the solution has cooled completely, I filter the solution and keep only the pure liquid as shown in the video. Filtering out the residue and sediment helps make the solution cleaner, limiting sediment buildup around the root system or on the leaves when used for the plant. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the banana peel and jasmine tea solution. That is it. We now have an organic fertilizer solution for the plant. Method 1. Pour the banana peel and jasmine tea solution into a small glass cup as shown in the video. Next, use a soft cotton pad to lightly absorb the solution and gently wipe each side of the leaves, including both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dirt, water residue, and impurities attached to the leaf surface after a long period of care. When the leaves become cleaner, the plant can absorb light better, and the photosynthesis process also becomes more effective. In addition, the natural nutrients in banana peels such as potassium and minerals combined with jasmine tea also help support improving leaf vitality, helping the leaves become greener, shinier, and limiting dryness over time. Besides that, gently wiping the leaves regularly also helps the plant become more airy, limits pests attaching to the leaves, and helps the entire plant appear fresher, healthier, and much cleaner. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Besides orchids, I also use this method for peace lily plants and many other indoor ornamental plants. The banana peel and jasmine tea solution helps peace lily leaves become shinier and greener, supports improving weak soft leaves, and helps the plant appear healthier after a period of care. Especially for plants placed indoors or in low light conditions, regular leaf wiping also helps the leaf surface remain cleaner and dust-free, supporting better photosynthesis and helping the plant maintain stable vitality over time. Method 2. Pour the banana peel and jasmine tea solution into a specialized watering bottle, as shown in the video. Then gently water around the base of the plant. Watering around the base helps the root system absorb the natural nutrients in the solution gradually and more steadily. Potassium and minerals from the banana peels support healthier root development, while jasmine tea helps create a more airy and pleasant environment around the roots for the plant. In addition, this method also helps maintain gentle moisture for the growing medium, limits excessively dry soil conditions, and supports the plant in recovering vitality better over time. However, you should only water with a moderate amount to avoid the growing medium retaining water too long and negatively affecting the plant's root system. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Method 3. Pour the remaining solution into a specialized spray bottle. Then gently spray evenly onto the stem, leaves, and base of the plant as shown in the video. Light mist spraying helps the plant absorb moisture and natural nutrients more quickly without making the growing medium excessively wet. At the same time, this method also helps the leaves become fresher, limits dry leaf edges, and supports the plant in maintaining more stable vitality over time. In addition, lightly spraying around the base also helps create comfortable humidity around the root environment, especially suitable for indoor plants such as orchids or peace lily plants. However, you should only spray a thin mist layer and avoid spraying excessively to limit prolonged water accumulation on the leaves that can cause fungal diseases. Besides orchids, I also use this method for snake plants. The banana peel and jasmine tea solution helps snake plant leaves become cleaner, greener, healthier, and supports the plant in maintaining stable vitality indoors. Especially for snake plants that have accumulated dust for a long time or are developing slowly, regular gentle mist spraying also helps the leaves appear much shinier and fresher. Results. After 2 months of use, results for orchids. After a period of applying this method, the orchid leaves began becoming greener, thicker, and naturally shinier instead of soft and yellow like before. The root system also developed more healthily, with more new roots appearing, healthier green root tips, and stronger attachment to the growing medium, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. As a result, the plant gradually recovered vitality, developed more steadily, and supported better bud formation and flowering over time. Results for peace lily. After a period of using this method, the peace lily leaves began becoming greener, firmer, and clearly reduced yellowing and drooping conditions. New leaves developed more healthily, the leaf surface became naturally glossy, and the plant appeared much fresher and healthier compared to before. At the same time, the root system also developed more steadily, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively, thereby recovering vitality and developing healthily over time. Especially once the plant became more stable, the peace lily also began producing more beautiful new white buds and flowers. If you found this content useful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications to follow more simple but effective plant care methods. See you again in the next videos.